So how do you use writing tools on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss any videos like this one. Essentially, for example, you have some basic tools whenever you are somewhere inside of the notes or you are writing somewhere. You can hold down on a specific piece of text and you can see that more options are going to appear. So for example, you can type in like a random word, hold down on it and then select it. Then scroll through the available options like here and you can see there is the format option. And when you click there, you can see we have the ability to make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, or indent it, right? So these are the most basic ways how you can customize or edit the text. Keep in mind that if you keep your phone up to date, and of course, if you are in a supported region and language, you can also use the Apple Intelligence writing tools to change your text, right? That would work in a similar method, but by selecting the word right inside of your Notes app, for example, and there you can see a little Apple Intelligence icon where you tap on this. It asks you which changes you would like to perform or what exactly you would like to do. So, it's an AI powered thing like a tool, so you can type it or tell it to rewrite the text in a specific manner or style or do some other things, but this is another set of new writing tools available on the iPhone. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe for more tutorials like this one in the future, and I'll see you later.